Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about, does your AI plus smartphone have slow motion video making? So let's start friends. First you have to open your this camera feature. So friends, you have to tap on the camera and you can see here it is, there are lots of features. You have to just swipe right hand side, click on more, and you will see here it is slow mo. Tap on this slow mo and it is set. Now you have to just make a small short video. You can see how I am making. It is in the normal speed right now. This is not fast or not slow, and I am just turn it off and you can see it is in the slow motion right now, and you can see how slow the video is made, and this is how you can make it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.